Tired of steam ovens that look impressive but disappoint in practice? I analyzed 15 steam ovens and filtered the ones that actually deliver consistent cooking results. What I found about real-world steam performance and easy cleaning will save you from buying a unit that collects dust. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Our Place Wonder Oven. And right away, let's be clear about something. This is on a steam oven list, but the steam here works differently than you'd expect. 1 to 2 teaspoons of water through a small inlet on top. That's the whole mechanism. It adds moisture back into food, revives stale bread, keeps leftovers from drying out. Genuinely useful for reheating without drying things out. But it's steam infusion, not steam cooking. If you want a true boiler-based steam oven, keep that in mind. For what it actually is, this is a solid 6-in-1 countertop oven. Air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, reheat. 12 liters, 2 cooking levels. Handles meals for 2 to 4 people. The interior is uncoated stainless steel. No coatings to chip or flake over time. Preheats 75% faster than a traditional oven. The air frying stands out. People who switched from basket air fryers say results hold up well. More usable tray space too. It comes with a wire rack, air fry basket, bake pan, and crumb tray. Everything you actually need right out of the box. Now, here's where it gets complicated. Our Place markets this heavily on non-toxic materials. The stainless steel interior is real and is a genuine differentiator, but there's a plastic rear vent and a plastic moisture tunnel on top. At 400 degrees, that's where the persistent smell some users report is coming from. For most people, it fades quickly or never registers at all, but if non-toxic is your main reason for buying, that detail is worth knowing up front. Toasting is also imprecise. The timer lacks fine control. You'll want to stay nearby or set a separate one. What this solves well is the clutter problem. One compact unit replaces your toaster oven and your air fryer, and it looks good doing it. The design is clean, low profile, and fits on a counter without dominating the room. For a small household that wants versatility without a messy counter, the trade-off makes sense. The link is in the description. Number 4 on the list is one I need to be upfront about. Genuinely impressive, but only for a specific kind of buyer. The Balmuda Toaster Pro is Japanese design taken seriously at every detail. Physical dials with a satisfying click, an off-white finish that looks deliberate in any kitchen, and a steam approach to toasting that most appliances don't bother with. Someone who's used it described it as if Apple designed a toaster, and that comparison genuinely holds. The steam function is the whole point. Add 5 cubic centimeters of water, and it generates steam that keeps bread moist inside while crisping the exterior. Dedicated modes include Shokapan for Japanese milk bread, golden toast, croissant, pizza, and a salamander grill for top-down broiling. 3 heating zones handle the balance between inside and outside on purpose. Most toaster ovens ignore that entirely. A professional chef has called it their favorite kitchen tool. People report stale bread coming out with a crisp shell and a genuinely soft interior. For bread and pastry specifically, the results are hard to argue with, but watch out for this. The interior clearance is low enough that the croissant mode can't fit a standard bakery croissant. Some people had to slice them in half just to make it work. The water cup has no spout, so there's dripping every time you fill it. And at this price point, baking tray is included, even though the recipe book calls for one. There's a real split feedback. Bread-focused buyers are enthusiastic. People expecting a general-purpose replacement tend to walk away disappointed. It won't handle meats, large bakes, or heavy daily use beyond toasting. This is a product for one kind of person, someone who takes bread seriously, appreciates Japanese craftsmanship, and wants a compact unit that excels at exactly that. If you're after a do-everything steam oven for daily cooking, the others on this list are a better fit. The link is in the description. Number 3 on the list is the CIARRA 12-in-1 steam air fryer, and the case for it is straightforward. If you're trying to consolidate your countertop, this one makes a real argument. 25 plus quarts of capacity, 11 cooking modes, steam, rapid steam air fry, convection, ferment, dehydrate, sterilize, reheat, and more. That's a lot of ground to cover in one unit. A 5-pound chicken fits with room to spare. The large water tank means you're not stopping mid-cook to refill. Once you start using steam daily, that kind of practical design pays off. There's something I didn't expect to appreciate here, the ferment mode. If you bake bread, this gives your dough a controlled warm environment to proof. It's not something most countertop ovens include. Home bakers who find it end up relying on it more than they'd expect. One user replaced their microwave and proofing setup with this single unit and hasn't looked back. The steam clean function is also real. It loosens grease, so cleanup is wiping, not scrubbing, and that holds up over time, not just week 1. Now, the honest tension, pure baking, no steam involved, is where this unit has a documented weakness. Heat distribution tends to favor the top of the cavity. One user tested bake mode with pizza pizza and chicken and sent it back. The steam and air fry modes come through. Dry baking is not where this shines. Controls are physical dials, not touch, which feels dated, and customer service has been a real problem. At least one buyer cycled through 2 replacement units over months, with no resolution. So for steam-focused cooking and air frying, this is a genuinely capable appliance. The 12-hour programmable timer is a nice touch for set-and-forget meals. For households wanting to simplify the counter without giving up versatility, it delivers. Just go. In knowing baking is the weak point. You'll find the link in the description. At number 2, we've got the Nuwave Combi steam oven. And if you've been cycling through air fryers trying to find something that actually covers all your bases, this one makes a strong case. Here's what stands out right away. All stainless steel, no PFAS coating anywhere. For anyone who's been replacing appliances specifically because of chemical coatings, that's a genuine differentiator. Not just in materials, but in what it signals about the overall build quality. What convinces me most is the layered steam control. You're not getting a binary steam on or steam off. Moisture adjusts from 10 to 90%, and temperature goes from 50 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with 1 degree precision. That's real control. It means you can do a short steam burst to proof dough, then shift into high heat air fry mode without swapping appliances. People who've used it confirm that reheating sourdough or leftovers comes out genuinely different. Not just warm, but with texture that feels fresh again. The combo mode, running steam and air fry simultaneously, is where this oven earns its spot on the list. Crispy outside, moist inside. It's what every countertop appliance promises, and most don't deliver. There are things to keep in mind though. The interior capacity works fine for 2 to 4 people, but for larger families, you'll be doing batches. The preset system also has a learning curve. Not complicated, but you'll want to spend a session understanding the stage functions before expecting smooth results every time. One honest flag: the sous vide function has delivered inconsistent results for some users. It's a nice feature to have, but if sous vide is your main goal, don't let it be the deciding factor here. As an all-in-one countertop appliance that takes steam seriously, this is a hard pick to argue against. The link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And at number 1, the Ninja 14-in-1 Combi Multicooker. This takes the top spot, and it earns it. Here's what separates it from everything else on this list. It doesn't just steam. It combines superheated steam with rapid cyclonic air simultaneously. Juicy inside, crispy outside. In one cook, no cheese, no engineered for, no kuai. No mode switching. People start with frozen solid chicken straight from the freezer. 15 minutes later, it comes out golden brown and fully cooked. That's the real world case for this thing. The preheat is 2 to 3 minutes. Your wall oven needs 10 or more. Some owners made this their daily appliance and report cutting monthly gas bills noticeably. One family tracked a saving of over $35 per month from the switch. That's not a side benefit. That's a real argument. The 14 modes aren't filler. Sous vide, slow cook, bake, steam, proof, sear, air fry. Genuinely different functions, not just renamed modes. People remove their toasters, steamers, and air fryers from the counter after buying this. 1 unit, 1 footprint. The capacity backs it up too. Feeds up to 8 people. A 6-pound chicken, 1.5 boxes of pasta, or 4 cups of dry rice. That's serious output for something that sits on a counter. Now, the honest part, the Combi meal mode defaults to a fixed 15-minute timer regardless of what's inside. Early on, you're watching your food. That's the learning curve. The drip tray is fixed in place, not detachable. You empty it with paper towels. One user flagged a tray handle issue. The foil wrapping degraded over time and became sharp. Worth knowing before you buy. And this machine produces serious steam, so don't tuck it under a closed cabinet. For the price, the versatility, and what it actually delivers, this is the best pick on the list. The link is in the description. You've got what you need to cut through the specs and pick the unit that actually fits your kitchen. If budget and counter space are the priority, number 5 is a solid starting point. If bread and pastry are your world and Japanese craftsmanship matters, number 4 is in a category of its own. For everything else, versatility, capacity, 1 unit replacing them all, number 1 is the pick. Prices move on these, so check the current deals linked in the description.